I'll lick your head. At least my one then. I like Rob's story.
Yeah, I'll just tell you a little bit about it. I had a best.
I love that.
It was the best time ever.
I own it! Ah!
There you go. Insane, isn't it?
I could build it in a week.
Do you reckon?
On my own.
On your own, I'd say you're looking more like 2 days for you, Drew.
You're not going to do wellies?
Yeah.
Sorry. So this is concrete. Yeah, concrete yesterday.
They have wellies, they're cowboy boots.
Didn't I?
Yeah. Hello and welcome back.
Welcome back to episode 57.
57.
Got it right,
Wow.
didn't I? I got it right,
You
mate.
did get it right this time, yeah. They're just flying out so quick, it's
That's
difficult
it.
to keep track
And
of,
I just love the fact that I'm just daydreaming, just driving, and then boom! There goes the brightest light in the world, straight in my face. Have that, Drew.
There you go. Well,
Just take like that.
you got to get
No
used,
morning
you've got to be
coffee.
used to it by now,
Oh,
surely.
I am used to it, mate. No morning coffee, nothing, no warning signals, just having that at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, well, there you go. This is the life of a film star, mate, you know?
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
Is that,
film
where's
star,
my makeup? Where's
builder,
my
film
makeup, mate?
star.
Where's my makeup?
Oh, yeah, well, we'll get a lady to do your makeup soon, mate.
Oh, look at that.
Bit of blush, a bit of powder.
That's it. Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, you look bollocks.
But yeah, guys and girls, thank you for subscribing and watching the videos. We've got some fucking good feedback, mate.
Have we?
We have got some good feedback. Everyone I'm seeing recently is like, your videos are awesome, Rob. You're doing excellent, do you know what I mean?
Well, it's not-
they like watched them. People yesterday was actually said to me, actually can't wait until they come out.
Oh, I love it.
Love
Love
it,
it, mate.
If that is the case, let us know in the comments because we
Yeah.
don't know. We only know what people say.
Please comment, please comment, please do.
So yeah, let us know, and if they're good or bad, or we swear too much, okay, you're going to get used to it, or I would say don't watch us, but
No,
you
no,
wanna
do watch us, do watch us. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But
Just another little thing, like, do you like the little things like the dry cracker challenge and stuff like that, you know?
we had a look this morning, didn't we, Rob?
Yeah, we
To
did.
see if it's a world record.
We did.
And there's
34 seconds for 3.
34 seconds for free, so I'm
Drew's going to attempt it.
going to go for it, mate.
You are going to
I am
go
going to
for
go.
it.
I'm not going to go for it early in the morning because I'm thirsty as anything, mate.
Yeah, do that a bit later, won't we?
Do that a bit later. So today we've already been to one job this morning.
We have.
Everything's all good there.
Yeah, yeah.
Customers are happy. It's nice, isn't it?
Backing up in them, we need a wheelbarrow, Drew.
Right, sign language for builders. Let's have a look. I've just got on site. I don't even think they know we're here.
Yeah.
Mother. It's too early in the morning for a minute. Ooh, shit. He's going fucking bit naughty that height, isn't it?
Yeah. It goes where the bench is, it cuts in there.
It's a bit naughty, isn't it? Look at the height of that.
Let's get the warning tape. Caution, electric. There's no electric.
You think you could cut the grass and go through that, Puggy? So today, what we're doing, putting in the ducting and putting in the cable for lighting. Aren't we, Anthony?
Yeah, we are.
Aren't we, Aaron?
Here we are, mate, we are.
Come here. Come on. Sparkies, they're quick, aren't they? You have to like run after
Look at
them.
this handsome man.
Go lick your head.
At least my fun, then.
Oh, lovely, that's a short.
Blown soil.
What? Someone's actually gone to do that and put lighting in here and put that there.
Look at it as well, it's not even.
It's not right, mate. No.
Bloody hell. Yeah.
It was never going to work.
It wasn't.
Well, it would have, but it was just not right. So then, Mr. Anthony, what's the crack?
Wait for the cable to turn up.
Oh, fucking live story on it.
Oh.
Joking. No, honestly, what's happening, mate?
Wait for the ducting.
Fucking right, let's go. Come on. So just on this now. Got ducting coming up, ducting in there. We've got the big ducting coming in. What we're doing as well, putting 100mm of sharp sand on the top. That's it.
That's it.
That's it, mate.
Is that it?
That's it.
Oh, beautiful.
That's all it does. And then it's just mud on top.
Mud on top jobs are good. Un.
Done. What have we got here? It's your MOT. your type 1. What we've got here is compacted MOT type 1. We've got about 150 to 200 mil on this bit here. And then we'll top it up again with another, I'd say it's another 100 mil there, Rob.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, 100 mil, mate. Yeah.
This path is actually good enough to drive on.
Yeah.
You know?
Solid as.
Solid. The only bit I won't drive on is your engines.
Yeah.
Because they're not made for driving on. But the path itself, 100%.
We're just having a chat about our first cars here, weren't we?
Yeah, our first car was a Fiat Uno.
Yeah, same.
Ross was a Fiat Uno. And
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, not the new ones now, it's the ones what look like this.
Yeah. Disgusting. But yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah.
And, we're just talking about the time. I'm not Rob's story.
Yeah. I'll just tell you a little bit about it. I had the best.
I love that.
It was the best time ever. I mean, I'm 47 now. I don't do anything like that.
See, I'll go back on some reflections.
Oh yeah.
My reflections.
What a club.
What I can remember is, I used to always fight the fucking bouncer every time I got.
Did you?
Every fucking day.
Just as I'm in the queue getting in, Drew's getting kicked out.
He's a big mother, but I was tiny, he's fucking massive.
Yeah,
Not
I
you,
remember,
boy.
mate.
Fucking.
You loved it, did you?
Good time. Good
Oh, mate, the free bus. Remember the free bus down there from the town centre?
Mate,
What
town
the
used to
fuck?
be fucking
It was
rad.
buzzing, wasn't it? What about it now? What's happened? What a waste. Ketton is absolutely fucked now. It used to be good.
I don't know, because people are still spending money.
Oh yeah, I suppose. Or is it just everyone's going, why don't kids go to the pub anymore? What's that all about?
Ketton used to be fucking immense, mate.
It used to be insane.
It did.
Like fucking about 24 pubs in 1 square mile or some shit. Do you know what I mean?
Every club, every pub will have bouncers on the door.
Yeah.
You'll have to queue up to get in with the. Remember the barriers,
Excess,
the barriers
mate,
and all
yeah,
that
and all
lot?
that, yeah.
Do you know what I mean? The free taxis taking you places, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? To take you some reflections.
Oh, mate.
They,
Yeah,
they,
all
they,
right.
they had the days you could buy condoms in the men's
Well,
fucking
yeah, but
toilets.
did you buy? And that, yeah, £1.
There you go,
£1
£1,
in there.
£1 and you get some mints. Hello.
Mints, condoms, or a sex toy.
Condoms and a packet of fags. I know that.
Fair play. Yeah, things have changed, eh?
Right, I used to be really good at this. Test your strength. Just get your wheelbarrow. Start with your leg. Push it. And hold it. And then put it up. And hold it. And hold it. Ah!
There you go.
Wait, no, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Wow, that is some strength, Drew. Fucking hell, boy.
I don't know where you're going, mate.
Where you going?
Big piss up. Nottingham.
Oh, yeah, I'm not in a...
Yeah.
Oh, well, you're a boy.
Yes, mate.
Mate, you're a boy, yeah.
Yeah.
Not sure.
He don't know. It's a big. You got a penthouse apartment. Yeah. He's going, mate. There you go.
Boys.
Yeah.
Right.
Turns from Bert.
What's happening this weekend, mate?
Okay. You gonna take 30 or what?
It's called to be gay, isn't it? Yeah, I'll do it again now.
It's in fashion.
It is.
Of course it is.
Right.
I've been in fashion real long.
Take 13.
Take 13.
I think on stone. He's short of me. Harry's short of me on stone.
Take 13.
Yeah,
Yeah, look. What's it?
let's have a look.
This is more professional camera skills.
Oh yeah, let's give it a look.
Wait, you can't see it yet.
Do you know what my new one is?
Yeah.
So this is concrete.
Yeah, concrete yesterday.
Don't worry, it's a cowboy dude.
Didn't have,
Okay, yeah.
didn't have any wellies, so we improvised.
Brick ties.
I fucking love it.
All ties
I love it.
on the handles into the pocket. Look at that.
So I'll do the other one, mate. I want to see.
New York Fashion Week, mate.
Oh, it actually
Definitely,
is.
isn't it? Hey.
Mate, it works as well. It's fucking good talk. Do the wall side. Go train some wood, are we? That's it, wellies are done, mate. Wellies are done. Out of business. And a good advert for Sports Direct.
Oh, yeah. Sponsor us. We're running Snowdonia, don't you know, Sports Direct? Yeah. Wow. Look at that. Look at that.
Look, bone dry.
Look at that flood water. Wow.
Fantastic, isn't it?
It is beautiful, isn't it, eh?
Look at the size of
Look
it.
at this nature.
Oh.
And drive past something like that every day,
Do you know why they build these, Rob?
And that's going down the road.
See these bits here?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know why they build them, guys? There's loads of them down there, just...
Little
why?
car parking spaces.
No, they're not,
No?
mate. They're not, because they're going the other way.
Oh, right.
You know, that is for floodwater to go underneath it, so there'll be something underneath the road, you see, to help that water come through. We just said Seaton Meadows viaduct. Look at the size of it.
It's insane, isn't it?
I could build it in a week
Do you reckon?
on my own.
Only right, I'd say you're looking more like 2 days for you, Drew. We are pretty fucking
2
quick.
quick, yeah, 2
We
days.
are quick,
I'd say
aren't we?
you're about right, 2 days.
Yeah, there's
2 days.
not many bricks in this, is there?
20,
Yeah, yeah. It's a week's work.
80.
Week's work for ERG.
A week's work, easy. Easy. But look at it.
It's beautiful.
Hey,
isn't
why
it?
can't they build stuff like this anymore? You know, because
Too expensive, I guess.
it would be expensive. But look at it.
Be a nice project, though, isn't it?
But you can see why they've had to fix it.
Yeah,
Right,
red brick.
They've got the old,
Blue clay's in there, isn't it?
yeah, you've got the old blue clay, and then they've done it with the reds.
Why?
Just, yeah,
Why?
You can see the water dripping off it.
Yeah.
So, I'll tell you what, it's bloody freezing.
Isn't
mate.
it? Come on, let's go.
Imagine this, horse and cart days back in the days, and you're having to build this. I bet this field here, it's got coins, old tools.
Let's get
all
a
that
metal
kind of
detector
stuff.
and come back one day, eh?
And I can guarantee you, you can probably have a look. Someone let us know in the comments how many people died while making this back in the days.
Mm.
Because
Nice,
they
yeah.
would've-
Yeah, accidents.
They would have. Look at the size of it.
It's insane.
It's a piece of art, isn't it? It's beautiful. Aye, I'm gonna tell you, they bought some shower panels. We didn't buy them, they bought them.
Yeah.
And they put a bit of, what's the tape called?
Masking tape.
Bit of masking tape. They put a bit of masking tape on it, cut it in to paint it. They pulled the masking tape off,
Yeah.
and it's actually pulled some of the expensive, not cheap, expensive
Design work off the panel, yeah.
design work off the, what the fucking them panels called, mate? Aquaboards.
Aquaboards.
Right, okay. And
Get it together, boy.
Let's pull it off. So what we're doing, they bought them personally. We're trying to fight on their behalf, so we've phoned up our supplier. Our supplier has phoned up their supplier. Their supplier has said, even though these are £200 a board, have said
It's not our fault.
it's not their fault because they cannot test every single board.
And that's bullshit, mate. Paintwork coming off a fucking shower board.
Yeah,
What
when it
the hell?
actually states on there as well that you can put duct tape on it, masking tape,
yeah.
you can
yeah.
cut in and all that kind
It's
of
got to
stuff.
be their fault. Let us know.
It's 100% their fault.
Mm.
But then, do we want to go down the route of it could take years?
Yeah, fuck
You
off.
know, trying to
Yeah.
fight in tribunals or whatever it is, or whatever.
No, we
the
don't.
murders.
There you go.
But don't want to do it. No one wants to stress. Our supplier have said they're going to give us 200 quid. So we can take the panel and a new panel, take the panel off for 200 quid. To do this,
Yeah, it's a lot of work, mate. It's
we've
not
got to
worth
take the
it.
shower door off, got to
So
take
what
the
are we
shower
going
off.
to do, Drew?
So-
Drew. What did I
What-
say then, Drew?
Well, trim.
It's too fucking early, mate.
Trim, we're going to trim. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to our supplier and say to them that we want all the money off the panels completely.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day,
They're faulty.
they're faulty.
They're
Like,
faulty.
is it going to flake off in a few years, or do you know what I mean? There's a rip on the top, so I'm thinking bit of trim, black trim on the top, 20 mil, or roundabouts that, and just hold the whole back, top where it's actually pulled it off.
We'll show you in a bit what happens.
We'll show you in a bit. But these are the things what you want your builder doing for you. You know, I'm just saying. If you find a builder what you want, it works good with you. Fuck off. If you find a builder.
I'm not cutting these bits.
It's fucking got me, mate, because I don't even know what I'm fucking saying.
Right,
if you find a builder, right, you want to have that trust in that builder. You want that builder to be able to fight for you, even if that builder didn't buy that product and he's using, say, you're using his recommendation.
Yeah.
Because every builder should tell you where to get materials from.
There you go.
You know, because at the end of the day, they want to be saving you money as long as they want to be saving you money. You know, because it's not about take all the time. I don't think.
Exactly that. I mean, that went on for a bit long, didn't
too
it?
long, mate.
Yeah. It's supposed to be a 3-minute little clip, and Drew just can't shut up.
That was something that was supposed to, for 30 seconds long.
30 seconds, and you've gone on for about fucking 5 minutes, Drew.
Oh, mate.
I'm going to have a nightmare cutting this now. Fuck's sake, man.
Cut.
Ah, boy.
All done. So we've got the stone, and I'll tell you what, I ain't got to wait for 6 to 8 weeks.
6 to 8 weeks,
What we're doing, we're getting them straight away because we've found what stones it is. If you want to buy a bit of stone like that, it will cost you about 400 quid for 2 pieces, you know?
Wow.
You got your VAT on there as well.
Pricey stuff.
So at the end of the day, it is what it is, but it comes from a quarry.
Yeah.
And then it has to come here and then have to cut it as well.
Yeah.
So you got the haulage, then you got someone else taking it off that haulage and putting it here, then you got it going through the machine, and then obviously it goes onto pallets and out to you. So this is why it's expensive. Top man.
Cheers, pal.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah,
just like that.
Stone, mate.
I love it. I'll tell you what it is though, Bob.
Yeah.
It's all about who you know.
It is about who you know, isn't it,
Because at the end of the day, I ain't gonna wait 6 to 8 weeks to 2 bits of stone.
I know the people here, mate.
You know the people.
I used to use this a lot, mate, in the history. Now, the problem with British weather is...
You always get flooded roads.
You do, don't you? Oh! Oh, bloody hell. That's like driving through a river, isn't it?
4x4, mate.
4x4.
4x2.
Yeah, 4x2. Bit of 4x2 there. Look at that. Crikey.
We've got another one to go through and all, mate.
Have we?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We've got another one to go through and all, mate.
Have we?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, dude, that's another day done at ERG On Site, and that was episode 56, 57, 56.
57.
6,
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. Absolute zero.
Peace out, guys.
Peace out. Love you.
See you on the next one.
And watching. But please, guys, do let us know if you like the videos because
Nobody does.
no one lets us know.
Come in.
You know,
Please come in.
because the way we're going, guys, we worked out earlier. Well, Rob did.
Yeah.
We're gonna have over 1,000 videos in the first year.
1,000 plus videos. That's shorts and mains. So there's a feast of footage for you all to dive
Absolutely,
onto.
a beautiful feast of a magical build,
Yes.
beautiful people, and me and Rob.
Oh yeah. There you go. Happy days. See you later.